All right, well, we've made it to our delivery here in Iowa. It appears as though we have no empty trailers here. That's a problem. So I'm gonna drop this and call, or ride around a little bit up and down the road here and see what I can find. But I was told they don't have any. The ones that they do have are loaded, so we'll see. But yeah, we got to drop this and we can maybe get out of here. All right, well, I thought I'd give y'all an update. Nothing. Well, I tried to hook up to those trailers. They're all what we call CH trailers, like chat pallet, trailers. So they had to stay there. There was 3 of them. So I'm currently sitting at a pallet up the road from my delivery, and it's windy as all get out right now. I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna be quiet for a second and see if y'all can hear that. Maybe not. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but I'm gonna cut some of that out because that was just too long. But you may be able to tell from the curtains swaying and stuff. It is windy as hell out there right now. The winds are at like 30 with 50-mile-per-hour gusts. So I guess it's a good thing I don't have a trailer right now, right? Because if I was empty in this, it would be it could be bad. It could get pretty rough. And I'd probably end up pulling off anyway. But yeah, I hope everyone's having a better day than I am. I'm just sitting back, relaxing, watch a little bit of watching some Game of Thrones. I'm all the way down to like season 3 right now. It's a good damn show, man. Have y'all have seen that, right? Y'all have seen Game of Thrones. If not, get you an HBO subscription and do yourself a favor and watch it. And then go back and watch the House of the Dragon. It talks about the Targaryens. But yeah, it's a good show too. But yeah, man, that's really all I got right now. When anything else happens or something comes up, I mean, I'll chime back in with y'all. But it is, whew, it's cold as hell out there, man. It's like 15 degrees. That wind's blowing at like 15, 20 miles an hour. Whew. I held my breath because it's so damn cold, which is probably dumb. I don't recommend doing that. But we finally got ourselves an empty trailer. We're here at the delivery, as you saw, at the pickup, sorry. Whew. And from here, we're going back to PA. I'm hoping the weather is much, much better there. I'm gonna be taking a look at it, of course, because trip planning, right? And so we'll see how it's looking there. But yeah, I will check back in with y'all in a little bit. All right, we got it picked up. let's make our way to PA. We are currently 14 hours, 6 minutes away. Yeah, I got a feeling this is about to be a very cold ride. You know what I mean? All right, y'all. Well, I figured I'd check back in. It's been a little while. We made our delivery over here in PA. It is currently, what is today actually? It's Tuesday the 20th. We made our delivery there at ES3 in PA. Today, I'm picking up from there to take a load down to North Carolina. This morning I got up to leave and my truck is derated down to like 5 miles an hour, meaning I can't go over 5. There's something wrong with the ACM and the CSR and different things. It's a whole situation right now. So right now I'm waiting for a sub truck to get out here to me, and once the sub truck comes, I'll get in that and go pick my load up and deliver it. I don't have to be there until 4 p.m. on Thursday. So we got plenty of time to get there. It's only 11:15 right now. So after all that said and done, I will be talking to y'all then, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. All right, guys. Well, we are unloaded here at the customer. We're waiting to get that phone call to let us know that we can pull out the door, and then from there I think we might be heading home. I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. Hope everyone's had a great week thus far. I've just been real busy with different things, you know, behind here and such, just trying to get things taken care of, you know. Issues with the truck, you know, that was a whole freaking mess. As you know, I've told y'all what the deal was. But we got this thing, it's a Freightliner. I haven't driven a Freightliner in years, so I'm a little indifferent about it. I do like, however, how much bigger the bunk is compared to my Volvo. Although I like my Volvo more. I just wish the bunk was bigger. That's the only downside I have to it. But we're gonna get this phone call here shortly, I hope, because I've got the green light on my door, but they told me to ignore that and to go off the phone calls. So I've been sitting here maybe 10 minutes now waiting on this. I've hooked back up to the trailer, and yeah, like I said, I'm just waiting on that call. But yeah, man, I will check in with y'all when I have something else to say.